Okay, so here we go the other direction. It's already expanded, and we're going to write as a single logarithm. We're going to compress it. Any multiplier, we're going to turn into a exponent. So log base b of x to the third minus log base b of y to the fourth. And now I'm going to do the subtraction by making it division. Log base b of x to the third over y to the fourth. And I got kind of confused when I was doing this in XYZ because they are actually filling in that log base b for you. It just took me a while to notice that. Maybe you're faster than I am. But you don't have to type in the log. You just type in the simplifying part that's in the parentheses. Okay, B. Again, what happens here is we get a fractional exponent showing up. So log of x to the sixth minus log of y to the 1/3 minus log z squared. And we're going to put x to the 6th in the numerator and everything else in the denominator. Now, I am not sure, I'd be surprised, but I'm not sure if they require you to enter that y to the 1/3 as a cube root. You can, I think they'll accept that fractional exponent though. All right, one more with a ton of fractional exponents. Okay, common log of x to the 1/2 power minus common log. Okay, I just noticed a mistake. This is supposed to be addition, and I noticed it because I saw the subtraction in that middle term. Sorry, let's go back and fix that. Log base x to the 6th times y to the 1/3 all over the z squared. Okay, back to this. Minus the log y to the 1/4 minus log of z to the 2/5. Now, just in case, I'm going to write this as a radical just in case they have us do this. Actually, let's do this. Let's put it together in one log first. So x to the 1/2 over y to the 1/4 and z to the 2/5. If they do want it in radicals, that's going to look like square root of x over the 4th root of y times the 5th root of z squared. Okay, done. Okay, last couple problems are really applications, and they're not too bad. We're given the equation to use here. You find pH, you take the negative log of the hydrogen ions. Okay, so H plus stands for hydrogen ions. It says find the pH of milk if the concentration of hydrogen ion in the juice is 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6. So pH is going to be negative log 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6. And I'm really doing this. This was just a straightforward calculation, but I want you to see what this looks like on the calculator. So I'm going to pause the video and get my calculator going. Okay, I've got the calculator going, and the number I need to enter is below. So I'm going to walk you through this. We use that small negative and common log. And inside that log, we're going to put 1.26. And to do scientific notation on the calculator, now we could probably just type in times 10 to the negative 6. But we have a button for it. It's second and the comma button, which gives us EE. This is what shows up when it's giving you a number in scientific notation. And now I'm just going to type in that small negative 6. Close my parentheses, and there's my number. I'm going to try that again, though, with just doing it by 1.26 times 10 to the negative 6. Just to make sure I get the same answer, because you can type this in any old way you want. Yeah, same answer. And when we do a scientific notation in XYZ, they want you to do something pretty close to what I just typed in. So the answer is 5.899, rounding up to 3 digits. That looks like 5.9. Yeah, 5.9. All right, other side of this is find the concentration of hydrogen ions in a bottle of vinegar if the pH is 5.45. So we're going to use our formula, but the number we're substituting is the pH. Okay, so now we're solving for the thing that's inside that log. First thing I'm going to do is move that negative over. So negative 5.45 equals log of H plus. And now I'm going to get rid of that common log, which is, by the way, base 10, by putting both sides to the 10th power. So it looks like our hydrogen ions is going to be equal to 10 to the negative 5.45. Ten exponent negative 5.45, and we get 3.548. I think they're asking us to round these to do 2 digits, so 3.55 times 10 to the negative 6. I notice that the XYZ prefers the multiplication symbol, because when I enter it like that, it usually takes it, but it tells me that it would prefer this. So that's what you want to enter on the XYZ homework site. Okay, very last problem, and it goes fairly quick. They give us this formula, and it tells us that we want to find the relative value of P1 with respect to P2 in units of dB using the formula below. Okay, so they gave us a value for P1 and P2, and they're just telling us the units of D are dB, but really we're just substituting. So P1 is 15, P2 is 0.3. I'm going to go to the calculator and just type that in. So 10 common log of 15 divided by 0.3. 16.990. And that is it for chapter 4.4. See you in class.